Have you ever been to a dentist to replace one tooth and the dentist gives you a cost for 3 teeth and you are clearly confused? I am Dr. Muthukumar and I am going to clear some of the doubts to replace your teeth with dental bridges. I have already explained about the materials used for making dental cap or crown, and if you have not seen that video, the link is at the end of this video. You can click and see that. I am here to explain the difference between a cap and a bridge. A cap or a crown is used for a single tooth. For example, if one tooth is root canal treated, that tooth is ground and a cap is fixed. That is one crown. But if one tooth is missing, if you want to replace that one tooth, a dental bridge is used. It is similar to a normal bridge. A bridge is constructed with pillars on either side. Similarly, a dental bridge is constructed with teeth on either side. So, one teeth on this side and one teeth on this side, they are ground, and a 3-unit bridge is kept on top. The number of pillars taken, that is the number of teeth taken for support, depends on the number of missing teeth. For example, if one tooth is missing, 2 teeth are taken as support and a 3-unit bridge is fixed. If 2 teeth are missing, again 2 teeth are taken as support and a 4-unit bridge is fixed. But if 3 or more teeth are missing, more than 3 teeth are taken as support and they are fixed accordingly. And if the teeth taken for support, they do not have good bone support, or if they are not strong enough, then again additional teeth are taken as support and the bridge is fixed. There is also something called as a cantilever bridge, in which support is only taken on one side and the artificial teeth is fixed. But this cantilever bridge should not be used in all cases and in only a limited number of cases. And how is the cost of this bridge calculated? If you go to replace one tooth, the cost is, if the cost of one ceramic crown is 5,000, the cost of a 3-unit bridge is 3 into 5,000, which is 15,000. So the cost is not depending on the number of tooth which is lost, but rather on the number of unit of the dental bridge. I hope you found this video useful. Please like it, share it and subscribe for the channel. Thank you.